Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole, and today in this video we will be reviewing the jamescharles palette. I'm just so excited. I just want to get right into this. I did create this look using the palette, and I'm really excited to review it with you guys because I haven't reviewed anything before and it's like my first time. So please show your love and support. If you're new to this channel, I welcome you. Please make sure you do subscribe and turn on the notification button so you can get notified every time I do post a video. And if you're not new to this channel, thank you so much for coming back and showing your love and support. Please make sure you comment so I can know what you guys want to see, I can know what you guys like, and I will be responding to all your comments. And without further ado, I think we should go right into the video. Yeah, let's go. All right, so going into the review, this is the palette. It comes in this beautiful, beautiful box with James on it, obviously, showing us a beautiful, colorful, bright, inspirational look. I love the box. It's definitely like beautiful. Like you just take it out and you're like, oh, James! Going into the palette, it does come bubbles wrap. Just looking at the palette, it is so beautiful. Sorry about all the greasy fingerprints on it. That's from my greasy fingerprinty hand. Here's the palette. It's beautiful, it's sleek. I love that he put his name in that beautiful glossy finish. I love how thin the palette is as well. It's just, like, I love it. Like you just pull it out and you're like, boop. So when we go right into the palette, the first thing you see is you get a paper with all the different names on it. I would say this is a con for me because at the end of the day, this paper is being thrown in the garbage. So it's not really helping me to figure out any of the names because it's gonna go in the garbage at the end of the day. So I would say for James, a con for me is if I would prefer if he had written the names on each and there's enough space. So I would prefer if he had written the names on each of the shadows. And also I love that he also did the same finish and put an inspirational quote, unleash your inner artist, in here. But also another con for me, I wish there was a mirror, a very thin mirror, just so like this can be like a one-stop shop kind of thing where you don't have to carry anything else but the palette. But it's two small cons. That's just my preference, but I love it. I love the packaging. I think it's a great palette to have in your kit if you are a makeup artist. I think it's a great palette to have if you are just a beginning artist. So now we're gonna go into the part where I try the shadows on for you guys, and then we discuss how they blend, how it applies, if there's fallout, and then I will go into the face section of the palette. I don't know if you guys knew this, but these colors in the middle are supposed to be, you can use them on the face. There's a banana color, there's a white, there's a highlighter, and those are supposed to be like contour and blushes. So I'm excited. So let's get right into that section right now. All right, to start off, I will be going in with the Plouise Fast Base. This is in the shade Rumor number 5. I actually really like this base. It's pretty amazing. Not even gonna lie. I'm just gonna start applying the base all over my lid. So Plouise always advised to pat in her base, so that is what I am doing. Today I'm actually going to use a lot of the base because I want to get the full effect of the palette. I want to see what Sister James is offering, okay? I think that's thick enough. The thing is with this base, you have to work pretty fast before it starts creasing up. So I'm gonna be going into the palette and I'm going to be starting off with that dark purple color. Yeah! Pretty pigmented. It picked up on the brush really well. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my God, my hands are so dry. Can Nicole clean her hands before she shows you guys her dried up fingers? Like, what? Started, so I'm taking that dark purple and we are just going to be applying that in the crease. So as you can see, so far, the pigment is very vivid. Woo! This is a beautiful purple, just saying, Sister James. This is a beautiful purple. Look at that. Once it's on, now I will be taking a clean, fluffy brush, and we're just gonna start blending that out to make sure there's no harsh lines or anything like that. So the shadow is just blending so beautifully. You guys can pick that up. No? This purple, oh my God. So just from the purple, you can see the pigment is beautiful. Just from the purple, you can see how it's just blending nicely with the clean brush. I'm going to go in with the pink color. So it's pretty bright. I just picked up a little bit right there. And we're just going to go along the top. But as you can see, they are just blending together with no effort whatsoever. Hope I don't end up looking like a clown, guys. Getting carried away with these shadows and unleashing my inner artist. Oh, guys, these blend. Oh, hallelujahs, these blend. I'm gonna take the lighter pink. Kind of looks like that. And I'm just gonna go along here. Yes. But look at that blending. Look at that. Like, blending some more. That's the key to shadow, guys. Just blend. Just pick colors and blend. Try to keep the colors, like, you know, obviously coordinated, but pick colors and blend. I'm going to be now going in with the NYX Lid Lingerie Matte, and this is in the shade number 14. It's their white shade. It's called Bad to the Bone, and I want to use that as my base to cut the crease. So I think I'm still learning how to cut creases, I'm not even gonna lie. This is honestly one of the most tedious things to do, but also like it just makes the shadow look so beautiful. Now I'm going to be going right back into that purple. Just gonna like pat it on to the end here. I don't know where this look is taking me, but she's got us going somewhere right now. I don't even know who I am. Who is James Charles taking over my spirit? Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the pink and we're just packing it on. So if you notice, I kind of changed. So now I'm just pressing it in. I'm gonna be taking this beautiful purple color that he has here. It's beautiful, this color. I've never actually used a color like this before, so this is new. It kind of looks extraterrestrial. Now let's go into something a little bit more neutrally. I want to brighten this area a little. All right, so my review on the shimmery colors now. You for sure need to use a flat brush because there is fallout. I don't know if you guys can see the fallout happening, but it's happening. I really like this color for this area. Ooh. All right. So I'm gonna do the other eye now. We'll do that real quick and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here is the eyes. So I feel like the shadows are super pigmented. Well, the colors that I used are super pigmented. The purple is such a beautiful, deep purple. I absolutely love it. They blend beautifully. I would say for the shimmery shades, definitely use an applicator. Mine is pretty like ripped up, tattered and torn, but I would say use something like this, like a little applicator to apply the shimmers. They are a little bit, as you can see, a little bit of fallout does happen, but overall I feel like such a beautiful palette and so worth the money. I am going to be trying to use the face section on my complexion, so I'm just gonna finish up the eyes and then we'll go into face. So I'm going to be first applying some of the banana. Hopefully it can help brighten a little bit. Take it on just like a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna like press it in to the areas that I kind of wanna brighten, more towards the under eye, because those are the areas where you usually wanna brighten. I'm just pressing it in. My face looks so blotchy right now, I can't. I'm gonna take this color right here. We're just blending that into the cheek area. I was gonna use it to contour until I noticed how orange it was. So it's definitely not a good contour color, but it is a beautiful blush. Yeah, so I wouldn't really use those as contour colors. They're more towards the blush. So I'm gonna grab my own contour and I'm gonna apply that. All right, let's do the under eyes. Let's finish the under eyes. This is actually my favorite type of brush for the under eyes. It doesn't really get that pigment into your, you know when eyeshadow gets into your eye, it's like it doesn't do that. So I'm gonna go back in with those same colors that I used in my crease. So I'm going in with the dark purple. There's no primer on my lower lash line and we're getting full color. I'm just blending it down with the purple. Guys, I'm in love with this palette. It is so amazing. Oh my God. It just blends everything like to perfection. You don't even have to do much. If you're a beginner, get this palette because you don't have to do a lot of work. And to take that highlighting shade right there, and I'm gonna apply it into the corners of my eye, the brow bone, and also on my cheeks. Very pretty. I like that it has a gold undertone to brighten up that area. I didn't do my brows, guys. I don't like doing them. Let's be real here. I don't like doing them. Let's see how the highlighter is doing us. Because it's hard to find a highlighter that won't make a dark skinned girl look ashy. So let's see if it's dark skinned girl approved. I'm gonna put a little bit more. It's a very neutral highlighter. It can go on, it can work on probably any skin tone. So I like that he made a highlighter in the palette that would not only work for lighter skin, but work for everybody. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. I really hoped you liked my review. It's a great palette. It's a great palette. All those lies that you're hearing, all those stuff, it's a great palette, guys. Like from the colors that I've used, it's blended beautifully. It's very pigmented. The only con is that it does have a little bit of fallout when it comes to like the shimmery colors, but I feel like that's normal. That's something that usually happens with shimmery colors, but I really feel like Sister James hooked some sisters up, okay? It's great. I really am happy with the turnout of this eyeshadow look. I just love it. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So if you like this review, please make sure you comment and also give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.